Hello everyone, in today's video I will be finally sharing my craft room tour. This has been a work in progress over the last few months and I think I've finally gotten it to a point that I'm happy with. If you don't already know, I have a small business where I sell vinyl decals, wood signs, and personalized gifts. Although I love to craft, so I make a ton of things, so this is how I organize my space. Hope that you enjoy this video and maybe get some ideas for your craft room. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I'd love to have you join our amazing community that we have here. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. So when you close the door, behind here I have one of these shoe organizers from Walmart. It was really inexpensive, and I saw this idea on Pinterest to organize your spray paint, because if you know, spray paint needs to be in a temperature controlled environment or it will not work properly. The spray paint will get messed up or it won't cure. So I thought this was a really good idea to keep your spray paint away and it's hidden. So if you're low on storage space or whatever, this is a great idea for spray paint. And then at the very bottom, I keep some rubbing alcohol in there. So anything, you can really fit a lot of different things in these shoe organizers, and I think Dollar Tree has them as well. So that's how I store my spray paint. And then moving on to the right over here, I have one of these dry erase boards. I picked it up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm a very visual person, so I figured I can write to-do list or task I want to get done each day on here. And you know, you can change it each day, so I definitely wanted one of those in here. And then on this wall, it's really simple, but I got these two things from Hobby Lobby. This is a pineapple. I thought it was really pretty, and if you don't know what a pineapple stands for, it's something like stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. So I like what that stands for. And then this is just a mirror. And over here, I just made a sign with my business name on it, Simply Sally, and just a letter S. And then on my desk right here, I have this notebook. It just says, work hard, stay humble, be kind, and take the leap. I thought that I could just write different goals that I have and different things in there throughout the year. And I like to do stuff like this each year, but half the time I'll stop mid-year of writing things in it. But maybe this year I'll actually get around to writing in it more. So I got that one. And then just a plant, and this one's from TJ Maxx. And then this candle is from Bath and Body Works. It is stress relief, which, you know, all of us business owners and really all of us now need that right now with everything going on in the world. And then this is from Walmart. It's just a calendar. Like I said, I'm a visual person, so this will kind of help me stay organized through the year. And yeah, this is from Walmart, and these pens are from Hobby Lobby. And then this is usually where I keep my computer. My poor little broken computer. It's still broken, but you know what? It's working great, so no need to get a new one. And then this chair right here is from Amazon, and then the pillow on top is from Hobby Lobby, and this thing is so comfortable. And a lot of times when I'm sitting in this chair for many hours, my back gets to hurting, so nice to have a pillow there for comfort. And then over here, I keep my paper cutter. This one was from Walmart, and you can get them at Amazon as well. I think it's the Swing Line is what the name is called. And then this is just a notebook with some paper if I need to write anything down. Over here, I keep some paper. I think this is computer paper back here, and then my cardstock for my vinyl decals. This right here is a plate rack from the Dollar Tree, and I use these for so many different things, as you'll see in my craft room. I love these, but it's great for organizing your paper. And then these are also from the Dollar Tree. It's just organization bins. I put my invoices in them, so I need to pick up a couple more, but I like to organize them by what people are ordering or by the day, so maybe I'll pick up a couple more and organize some more, but normally I'll put invoices and things in there. And then over here in this little bin, I keep my things that I package my vinyl decals up with. So these are the hard cards that are included with orders, and these are alcohol prep pads. And normally in this section, I will put package labels that are ready and printed out and ready to go. I'll roll them up and put them in there. So here is my pegboard. I get a lot of questions on this thing, how you put it together. And just to sum it up really quickly, I got 1x2s and put them across the top, across the middle, across the bottom, and you're just gonna screw those into the stud of the wall, and then you're going to then screw your pegboard into those 1x2s. So as you can see, just got screws here and there going into that. And it's really simple. And I think this one was from Lowe's or Home Depot. I can't remember where I got it. And then I spray painted it white. So very simple to put up. So right here is where I keep my vinyl mats. I really desperately need new ones, so ignore how dirty they are. I haven't learned how to clean them and re-stick them properly yet, so need new ones of those. But down here I keep just markers of different colors, and then right here some different clips. And then right here, you guys know how much I love my clear acrylic rollers. I use them for absolutely everything, so I keep those two there. And then right here are my foam brushes and some detail brushes back there. Right here, some tape. And then in this bin, I keep just different colored pencils, markers, pens, my vinyl picks, and my squeegees in that basket. And then in this one right here, I keep just a bunch of different stuff. I have hangers, more hangers, my sanding block, hot glue, just all in that. And then right here, I keep just a variety of different paints. And right here, I keep all of my tools that I use pretty much on a daily basis. I always lose things, so having this pegboard keeps me so organized. I just am able to put stuff right back where they belong. These scissors, I've bought so many pairs of these and I don't know what happened to literally all of them. So when I started using a pegboard, I definitely started not losing them as often, so that's nice. So I have those there, and then on the very top, I just have different things that can be kept on a roll. I have my twine and some tape, fragile tape, and some ribbon. And over here is where I keep all of my vinyl rolls of different colors. And I will link it in the cards exactly how I made this. I made a video on it, but just to sum it up, it's made by those same plate racks from the Dollar Tree, and you just screw those into the wall and you hang your vinyl up. And I love being able to have it here. I used to keep these rolls inside of something else, and it would just get all jumbled up and messed up all the time. So this is a great way to display your vinyl, and it stays out of the way because it's up on the wall. So if you have wall space for this, I highly recommend doing it this way. Okay, and down here is where I keep my heat press on top of this desk that I built. A lot of you have asked me about this desk. So yes, I did build it a while back. It is a modified plan. So I did see this X style. If you haven't seen these desks, it's that X style desk, and so I made it on the bottom, it's 2x4s, and then the top is 2x6s. And like I said, I'll try and find the plan that I sort of used, and I just completely modified it. I made it an L shape. I think the original desk plan was just a regular desk, and I made it into an L shape. But this section right here is 6 feet long, and then this section right here is 8 feet long. I wanted it to be a really large desk, and it definitely accomplished what I needed, but then I found that I needed more table space. So I'll show you in a minute what I used for that, because everything I'm doing, I'm all over the place with my stuff. So love this desk though. It's great to have such a large open area to work. And then moving along over here, I have all of my vinyl cutters, so all my silhouettes. This cart I got from Walmart. It's just one of those regular metal carts. And on the top, I have my larger silhouette. This section, I have my other silhouettes that are a little smaller. And everything's plugged in, so it's pretty much ready to use. All I have to do is connect them to my computer. And down here, I keep my printer and my Dymo label maker. And then on this very bottom section, I keep all of my sewing machines and my serger and my embroidery machine down here. And then I need to find a better solution for this, but these are my packing peanuts that I use for my vinyl decals, and I don't know really where to put these, but I keep them inside of this, I think it's one of those clear mesh laundry bags. So I don't really know where else to put them. So they work right there for now, so that works. And then down under my desk, I keep a file cabinet for just papers and important things. And then inside of this wicker basket is where I keep all of my sewing machine stuff. So we got thread in here, we got just everything I need for my sewing machines and embroidery machines. And I don't use my machines as often as I used to, so that's why I keep them down here, but they're there if I need them. And then over here, just a trash can, and then under here I just keep like lighting and tripods and stuff. I don't know where else to put them because there's not a closet in here. So that is where they are for now. And over here next to the vinyl machines, I keep all of my scrap vinyl, and I know a lot of you have seen this already, but I organize it by color inside of these gallon bags. So The top is neutrals like whites, blacks, grays. And then I have pinks and purples in here. Reds and yellows and oranges. Blue, green, mint, and turquoise. I think this is mixed vinyl like gold, silver, copper. HTV. All of like just extra mats and stuff like that in there. Larger sheets of vinyl, and down here is just cords and silhouette parts and all that in that one. So I love this thing so much. I've used it for many, many years, and it definitely helps keep all of my scrap vinyl organized. Okay, moving on into the middle of the room, I have this craft table that I built. Really easy to throw together. I needed table space, so I found this on Pinterest. All it is 2 of the cube organizers. You can get them at Target or Walmart. I got these at Target. And then a piece of MDF from Lowe's, cut to size, whatever size you want. And it was really easy to build. All I did was get screws. I think they were 1-inch screws. And I screwed them from the very top of this onto the MDF. And it's definitely very sturdy. It isn't the most sturdiest table in the whole world. It does wobble a little bit, but it will definitely support what I need it for. And then I just put these little cube baskets inside of here. Those are from Walmart. And yeah, I haven't really finished organizing all of these yet because each season I sell so many different things. So I figured this would be just stock. I do have some stuff in there already, like my popsicle koozies, and down here I have just cups and tumblers and straws and things like that. But I'm getting there. I'm getting organized, and these just different things I need. And then I think this is just camera gear and stuff on this top one. So I asked my Facebook group what you guys thought that I should do to the top of this, if I should leave it plain MDF or if I should stain it or whatever else. And there's so many good ideas. Some people suggested putting contact paper on there, which is a great idea. I'm just so scared to do anything to it because it's so smooth and I love the workspace that it has. I don't want to ruin it. So if you guys have any extra suggestions, let me know down in the comments. But I don't mind it. It doesn't look terrible, the plain MDF. As you can see, it's kind of a cardboard-like color, which does kind of go with a little bit of the colors I have in here. So it's not too bad. I have just a bar stool right here, so if I want to sit and work, I got that option. And then back here, like I said, I haven't finished organizing it yet. I put a couple things down here, like some extra plates and just different things I might need in these, but I'm getting there. And then on the top, I just have my cutting mat if I need it. And then moving on over here is all of the things I use pretty much on a daily basis with packing orders. So I got these at Walmart. They're just clear bins, and in here I have cello bags, woodworking materials, poly mailers, tape and shipping, Dymo labels and stamps, paint and stain supplies, extras, and then fabric in there. So I love having everything organized in here. It's so easy to just get to what you need right then. And then in this shelf, I just keep paper towels because you know, you never know when you need paper towels. Some Clorox wipes. This is the tape section. I keep glues and wood putty and things in here. And then in here, I keep polyacrylic and some alcohol and a spray bottle. And then on the very bottom shelf, I keep just paints and then tools. So just regular tools I use on a daily basis in there. So this was also something I just built and threw together. It is really simple. It's just, I think it's the Anna White bookshelf plan. So very sturdy, and I have it anchored to the very top wall so it won't tip over. And then right here, I have a vinyl roll holder. These are for my larger rolls, and I get a lot of questions on where I got it. I just built it with, this is framed by 2x6s, and I put PVC pipe in the sides. And if I was to redo this again, I would have made the holes a little bit bigger because I made it almost exact size, and it's really hard to get in and out. I mean, it's not impossible, but it's just a little bit tougher to do. So I might take that out and fix it one of these days, but it is what it is. And I spray painted the PVC pipe black, which I was impatient and I didn't let it dry fully or cure fully, so it did chip a little bit. So I need to go out and fix that too. But it's just really nice to have my large rolls on this so I can just roll it out and cut what I need as needed. And then down here, I have my transfer tape and my Oramask 813 stencil vinyl. And then down here is bubble wrap and some just extra packaged air and things like that. And you might wonder where I keep all of my extras. So like my extra bubble wrap and shipping boxes and all that's out in the garage. So I have a whole shelf for all that stuff. But this is when I'm running low on this, I'll go out to the garage and refill. And then in this corner, oh yeah, right here, I keep, this is something you use for backdrops. So I use this for my backdrops, and then my brown paper is back there. Unfortunately, I did not make this large enough to fit that because it was too big for this area. So it's okay though, because I can just roll it out and use it as I need. But that is pretty much it for that section. Oh, and I wanted to mention, I got this light up here. I wanted a, sorry, it's really hard to see. I wanted a light that was gonna light up my room better, and I found this at Lowe's. And I know it's not the most beautiful thing, but it really does light up my room very well because I needed more lighting. So if you guys are needing to brighten up your space, I highly suggest getting one of those bright lights like that. It makes my craft room just so bright. And this one is even like a smart light. You can connect to your phone and you can change the mood. So you can make it like more dim or darker or brighter, whatever you want it to be. So I really like that light. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. This room makes me so happy and inspired to get stuff done, and I'm sure I'll add things to it here and there. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!